Thank you for calling Cancellation Department. How may I help you?
Hi, yeah, there was some message that I got, something, my account.
That's for your computer security services, which is getting expired today. So would you like to renew or do you like to cancel?
Oh, well, no, I'd like to cancel.
Sorry?
Hello. I'd like to cancel, please.
Please get a pen and paper and write down your cancellation ID.
I need a, hold on. Okay. Hello.
Are you ready with the pen and paper?
Yeah, I have a pen and paper.
Your cancellation ID would be MSCF10.
MS? What's that?
MSCF10.
MSPF?
CF, C for Charlie, F for Frank.
Oh, CF, okay.
Yeah, now with the help of this ID, you will get a cancellation form. That form, you need to fill it out from your end. Once you fill out that form, immediately the service will get cancelled and it will stop the payment. Okay?
So you're gonna send it?
Now, just tell me, I will help you to get the cancellation form. Yeah. So let
Okay.
me know once you are in front of your computer, then I will give you the cancellation form.
Oh, I need to go to my computer?
Yes. Are you in front of your computer now?
Yeah, I will be in a second. Hold on.
Okay.
You need me to turn it on?
Yeah, turn it on.
Oh, okay.
Is it on now?
It's starting up, yeah. I just turned it on.
Okay. Let me know once you see all the icons on your screen.
Oh, at the desktop? Yeah, I'm at the desktop right now.
So you see all your icons on your normal home screen, right?
Yeah.
Now you have a look on your computer typing keyboard from where you type. On the bottom left-hand corner on your keyboard, do you see the CTRL button, which is called the control button? Do you see that?
That's the one that's under the shift?
I'm sorry?
The one that's under the shift key?
No. On the bottom left corner on your computer typing keyboard, do you
Yeah,
see the
it's
CTRL
under the,
button?
I see tab, caps lock, shift, CTRL.
Yeah, correct. Now next to the CTRL button, which button do you see?
It's got the 4 squares.
That is what you call the Microsoft Windows 4 square logo option. Now you need to press that 4 square button with one finger, hold it down, don't release it, and with the help of another finger, press the letter R button, R as in Roger. The 4 square button plus the letter R button, and whatever comes up on your computer screen, let me know. I'll guide you further step by step. So what came up now?
It's the run box. Type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet source.
And Windows will open it for you, right? Now over there, is there anything written over there, or is it totally blank?
It's just blinking.
So you need to type over there all in lowercase, which is www dot, 3 W's and a dot. After that, the letter B as in Boston. After that, the letter I as in Indiana. After that, the letter T as in Texas. After that, a dot as in period. After that, the letter D as in Delaware. After that, the letter O as in Oscar. After that, forward slash.
Okay.
And after that, the letter S as in Sam.
Okay.
After that, the letter U as in unicorn. After that, the letter P as in Pennsylvania. After that,
Pennsylvania, that's a nice state. I've been there a few times. I like that state.
Oh. And after that, you need to type the numbers 8270.
8.
Now, can you just repeat it back to me, whatever? Yeah, 8270.
I didn't get the other. It's SU what?
SUP, P for Pennsylvania.
Oh, P.
The letter P for Peter, P for Papa, P for Pennsylvania. After that, the numbers 8270.
8270.
Now, can you just repeat the whole thing back to me, whatever you typed over there, very slowly?
Yeah, it's www.bid.do/SUP8270.
It would be BIT, T as in Texas.
Oh, Texas.
Or rather, T as in tiger. Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was BID.
Not the letter D.
D as in dog or something. Okay,
No,
hold on, let me go
BIT.
back. Hold on.
Sure.
Okay.
Now repeat it back to me, whatever you typed over there, very slowly.
Yeah, www.bit.co/SUP8270.
8270, right?
Yes.
Now you give a click on the OK option. And after giving a click on OK, if you see anything coming up on your computer screen, let me know. I'll guide you further, step by step. So what came up now? What can you see?
It's Windows is not going through.
Now you concentrate on the bottom left-hand corner on your computer screen. Do you see anything over there called supremo.exe?
Did I put the right dot?
Left-hand corner on your... I'm sorry?
I'm not sure.
On the bottom left-hand corner on your computer screen, do you see anything called supremo.exe?
I'm in the run box. I'm still in the run box.
So close that run box and have a look on the bottom left-hand corner. You need to. Did you give a click on OK? Or did you hit the enter button, which I told you to do?
No, you just told me to close it. You said close the run box.
No, you open up the run box by pressing the Windows button along with the letter R button.
I have to open
it again? And whatever you typed over there, after that, you hit the... Yeah.
Okay, what do I put in the run box? The same thing?
The Windows button along with the letter R button.
Yeah, I did that, and you told me to close it.
I'm so sorry. So you open it up once again.
Okay.
So do you see the same run box?
Yeah, it's the same thing. But it's empty.
And over there, what it's written? It's empty.
Yeah, it's empty.
So you type over there, all in... So you type over there, all in lowercase, which is www dot, 3 W's and a dot.
W.
After that, the letter B for Boston.
B for Boston.
I for Indiana. T as in Texas. After that, a dot as in period. After that, the letter D as in dog.
Okay.
O as in Oscar. After that, a forward slash. After that, the letter S as in Sam. U
Okay.
as in unicorn. P as in Papa. After that, the numbers 8270.
Okay.
Now repeat the whole thing back to me, whatever you typed over there, very slowly.
BIT.
After
DO.
that,
And 8270.
it would be www.bit.do/SUP8270. Is that correct?
Uh-huh.
Now hit the enter button from your keyboard.
Okay.
And if you see anything coming up on your computer screen, let me know. I'll guide you further.
Yeah.
So what can you see now?
Please contact administrator.
Please contact administrator.
Yes.
Are you the owner of this computer, or is somebody else is owner of this computer?
Well, it's more like the family computer.
So who is the owner?
I mean, I bought it, but we all use it.
Who has actually bought this computer?
I told you I bought it, but we all use it. Mostly my husband and son. Oh, he's gone.
Thanks for calling Cancellation Department. How can I help you?
Hi, yeah, I need you to cancel it.
You want to cancel what, sir?
Your sister's tooth. It's smelly and stinky.
God, your sister tooth is smelling? Could you
Your
please send
sister's
it?
tooth. She's been on GB Road
No,
way
could
too
you
long.
please send it? Could you please send it the pic? Oh my goodness. I want to lick it.
You want to lick your sister's tooth?
No, I want to lick at your sister tooth.
No. You need the maca bowl.
You need maca? You need your mother pussy?
No, that's your
my
mother's.
Goodness. You have an ex-mother or you have a Y mother?
No, I have
You
your
have a
mother.
stepmother.
She's washing my
You
lawn
have a
right now.
stepmother. You have a stepmother? Oh my goodness. Your mom is there. Oh my goodness. Suck my cock. Catch.
Oh, you're gonna lick my lung? Your sister's gonna lick my lung?
Thank you for calling customer service. How may I help you?
Yeah, what time is the parade? Hello? What the fuck was that?